nyaka ingathi awuzusiqhuba kahle lo u2026 xa vele iChiefs iqale ichisa kanje ay futhi ayo-Chiefs le ayo-Chiefs le midlalo apha siyayazi thina iChiefs awuke ndifonele kwa-PSL ayo-Chiefs le sirojiwe apha ayo-Chiefs le hello sis ngicela ubuza i-office ye-PSL okay good uthetha ne-speak person sabalandeli be-Orlando Pirates ne-president yabalandeli bebhola i-Afrika yonke jikelele every Africa kutumela trop yes esisi sicela ijongwe sicela u-PSL ayijonge le nto yale team ibidlala ne-Golden Arrows namhlanje ayo-Chiefs leya usuhleka kodwa uyihlekayo ayo-Chiefs leya siyayazi thina sisi-Chiefs ayo-Chiefs le idlala ngathi i-Real Madrid usuhleka udropile
we benefited. They gave us a goal. There was offside. I've never seen an offside so offside like that. That was that offside was offside. But anyways, 3 points back. And I knew we wouldn't have such a decent game. That's why I said earlier, just make sure it's 3 points by any means necessary. And there, by any means necessary, Linesman was like, 3 points. But I can't pretend and say it was an amazing game to watch. I was so excited into end edge of my seat. Nah. You can see they're still rusty. Things touches a little bit off, they're still rusty from the international break, but it is what it is. And you could see at the end, we were under pressure. Our Golden Arrows were throwing balls into the box and corners. They were under pressure. But we can't sit and dwell too much on this win. It's 3 points in the bag, collected, we move on to the next game. But next we're going to Africa. Zambia. So that's what I'm saying. We collected 3 points. Let's not celebrate too much. On to the next game, 3 points in the bag. That's how we must carry on. Because there's no more time for beautiful football now. It's about collecting 3 points. But Kaizer Chiefs, we need to address something. Cedric Kazi, Ben Khalil, this high line. I'm not a fan. I am not a fan of this high line we are starting to play now. Because you're going to get a team with quick transition. We are finished. Quick balls behind our back. Like, remember this Kukune game, what they did? 2 or 3 goals behind us. And they punished. So please, this high line, I'm not sure. I need that high line back, please. But anyways, 3 points in the back, onto the next game.
Yebo igoli offside siyavuma kodwa phela sinendaba. Sibenefitile ayikho into esingayenza. Akusiphutha lezi ukuthi aboref bashama flop. Aboref bashama flop senzini thina. Benefitile. Sathu 3 points siphuma siyahamba. So, Kaizer Chiefs, i-team enkulu yase-South Africa isivele yavulela induku. Isivele yavulela induku ngegoli le-offside. Laphaya e-FNB Stadium kubulawa i-Golden Arrows. Rightfully so. Bekufanele bashawe labantu. Ibingekhenza njani. Right? I was not really impressed with the game. Especially the first half. The only 2 people that got me going was Umaboy Benondlovu. Basibambile isisu lamadoda. Umaboy Benondlovu. UNdlovu malume kodwa. UNdlovu malume. Maqeda lezi sifuna ukumkhipha. Amarabo coach beni. Kaizer Chiefs would play 4-3-3, would play 3-4-3, would play 4-4-2 in one game. It was very confusing because sometimes it would be a back three between McCarthy, who's this other guy, Miguel no Quinika. Sometimes it would be a back four, Monyane tracking back, coming back, Angay Lapagu with or Guma flanks to push on the right flank. So it was really confusing. Sometimes the swing bedlala nge diamond shape with Undlovu at the base of the diamond, and then we had Umaboy, we had Umodi, and then we had Ushabalala at the top of the diamond. Sometimes it would be a midfield three. It was a lot. Ulilepo needs to improve. Icon Lilepo needs to improve. Angazi noma mhlawumbe usalimele noma ngoba phela wayelimele lo mfolweni. And then when the coaches need to substitute, substitute yena bakhipha abanye. Understand kwenzakalani lapha. Sesingakubala konke singakubala kodwa defensively Kaizer Chiefs is very good. 10 clean sheets this season. we have one of the best defenses in the league. In fact, second best defense in the league, behind Pirates. Solid performance. Second half was good. 3 points in the bag. We move on. Sibhekana neZesco on.
Big shout out to Kaizer Chiefs fans. Abase stadium. Ba deserve a lot of points. Yabona le win Chiefs le. Yabalandeli be Chiefs. Coach 1 bathemba bafuna ukhipha uNdlovu banqaba abadlali be Chiefs. Naku namanje bayi man of the match. Okhumisa ukuthi besibambile isisu. Indlela beyibuka ngayo igame bit different nendlela beyibuka coach. Ongenza ukuthi coach bebuka ngokusupporta befuna ukhipha abadlali babo. But banqaba abadlali be Chiefs kumanje ama tackles abawenza ama ground duels abawenza maningi kakhulu. Acabanga ukuthi ayiwinele iKaizer Chiefs le game. Even ama sub enziwe Chiefs. Bathi mabekhala abalandeli coach bagijima kakhulu lokhu ukushesha bafaka obomayo bafaka oBatman ongoBatman abadlala indima enkulu endelela side lingene bafowethu lasebenza Batman ekade engena nolokuzana babe negame enhle kakhulu bene Paratupri enkhulumo ngoSolomons beyinhle game yabo bafowethu kulela side ingene nje lasebenza because first half belingasebenzi Lilepo was off. But ke ngokuthi befuna ukumgcina shothi uyifavorite yabo abalandeli bathi chu not namuhla akaphumi waphuma kanjalo Mabuwa naye ubene igame enhle kakhulu lapha eswini but kwashawa ukhathalo ngokuthi yena bese khathela kakhulu noNdlovu naye ubene igame enhle bese solid umshayi wegoal igame winner Chiefs enkhuluma ngomfana omncane uMakhathi naye ubegame enhle kakhulu washaya igoli elibaluleke kakhulu and bayithola ichance yazi chance after chance bemele I think bemelenza kangcono not bemele across because befuna umdlalo ozoqhama 6 yard bemele ekhahlelene but ke umfana wacabanga ukuthi akekho selfish wazama ukubuyisa ibhola la ngathola umuntu obengenye iclear chance Chiefs and ispeed sakhe besihle kakhulu ukurecover if Chiefs kade ihlaselele mase beyibamba ngecount ibinhle kakhulu igame yakhe umfana uMakhathi engumunye wabadlali ebebhekiwe ukuthi ngaba man of the match kodwa ngokwaNdlovu obekade iphele endlebeni going forward kumthola kumako umthola enza ama tackles abalekile yena egcina emuka ne man of the match sibuye ngapho kuNdlovu bene performance enhle kakhulu bafethu uNdlovu ngale nele goal nele bhola kalitholile la shayipani sekuvalwe amehlo bese kuvalwa amehlo cishe iGolden Arrows ngama last minute ithole igoal edlala kakhulu uNdlovu ngingamkhohlwa no Maxwele ngithandile leya beef the beef healthy kodwa benorukuzana ebeno mode esayidini because bebehubhana umtholo umode defender esela uMaxwele nase emhubha no mode noMaxwele esela so ngithanda kakhulu bafowethu kulela side uModi ngomunye abadlali abadlale kahle kakhulu if bezoyibamba kanje coach bezolalela ukuthi bathina abalandeli beChiefs iChiefs iya kude because iso labantu abaningi lakwazi ukubona into right ne wrong because Lilepo vele be off bambonile abafana ukuthi akekho mnandi bamkhipha because bengenze Batman inhle kakhulu performance fan inhle kakhulu performance yakhe ungene bafethu Thulani Mabaso what a player and ngiyambona enza ishot ebuhlakana kakhulu outside the box wasiza yena ugoalkeeper umbanje ukuthi uhlakaniphe kakhulu because le bounce lapha kwakho isuka imnandi kakhulu gain Mdu die Mdu anqeni perform one game perform ekudlula bonke abadlali and it's best player eghost 8 games in a row lo muntu akekho consistent bafuthu lo muntu akekho consistent yabona nje umdu ngempela iChiefs amele ihlalele phansi udaba lakhe imbona uthenza njani ongena uvilakazi washintsha igame ube ungomunye wabadlali owenza igame bemnandi ama-sub ehlwele bafethu ama-sub ama-fans abamahle kakhulu abene impact enhle kwiChiefs engikhuluma ngovilakazi abanegame enhle uMabaso abanegame enhle uBatman abanegame enhle uMayo ngasekemeni but benayo igame ethini kodwa idlala kakhulu indima ukuze iGolden Arrows ingabi eningi uku-attack iChiefs isukuyiyona mele imake iChiefs lokho kudlala kakhulu indima ukuthi Arrows inga create more chances nakuba ngasekupheleni kwegame sibonile Arrows bisizama abonguse cishe wathola enye chance unguse wagcina esebhakuzisa net but anyway Chiefs ikwazi ukumanage ukuthi i-defender nomdlalo weChiefs uMiguel bafethu othola ama yellow card angenasidingo ngimbonile step up kwamanye amabhola ngibona okay yakwazi ukurecover for iChiefs yakwazi ukukhuluma ebenokwinika ubhekelana wabo umuhle kakhulu.
Ngicela nifunde ukungilalela mangingitshela and lento engizonitshela wena futhi njengamanje bengimpredict nasemini ukuthi iCaizer izoyenza nje namanje singintshela iCaizer end of the season izobihleli number 1 izowina ileague ngicela ngiyatrolla la kanti ngiserious ibhola esidlalayo siyiCaizer Chiefs right now le impressive ayikho team edlula kokudlala ibhola njengamanje. Ayikho. Ngisho uwadula khona uyasho ukuthi yes ngiyamdinga uKaizer azocoacha lapha eZimbabwe iPirates because iKaizer idlala elinye ibhola njengamanje. Idlala elinye ibhola. eNaturena lo 2 months 3 months athi suhleli kade ngiyabona ukuthi senzani eNaturena. Bakhona vele phela labo badlali labo nalabo samele ba improve ne kodwa nje bawuyifiona ndlela ngifuna ukukhuluma ngabo. Hayi man generally hayi man Jenene wethu nangu Jenene wethu and it's not surprise ukuthi khona abahluleke ukubona ipotential yakhe khona abahluleke ukumsebenzisa thina samsebenzisa zamchitha leza ishiphi ngoba engazi siusebenzisa kanjani umdlali nangu ukuthi uyasebenzela kuthina and buka unqama man of the match Jenene uthi umuntu wePere naye namhlanje first half up until yasaphe hayi umabuye ngeke so wababuya ngimjudge kusayigame yokuqala bakusayigame yokuqala sakhona amanye ama game sayigame yokuqala u2026 uthi angazi indaba yiyena ebene slow start kodwa so far so good. Secondly umfana wami abantu abaningi bakhala ngalela goal lelana li controversial ikhona baboni offside ya mhlambe lo nganinika kona nami lela goal lingigculisanga ngulibona kodwa the fact that lingenile and lasinika u3 point ilo kubalekile kumina uJimmy Towers mzweli useni half time ya nami ngiyavumelana naye lela goal lithema kusiva seliya ku makhadi lesili offside no futhi noma Nqoba Mnqithi was furious during the interview. He was furious uyamuzwa ukuthi nomuntu lo ucasukile lokho serious and okwakhe understand kodwa futhi at the same time ngiyasho ukuthi mina akulona iphutha le Kaizer kuphela ithi ngichaze uyichazile nje indaba yama officials ukuthi asahlale blame wona neleague kumele enze something ngalento le iningi imali edlalelwayo per season I think 20 million akwazi kunama mixaba nama mistake kanje yazo cost team yami namhlanje be organized ibinjani it's just that ile laphutha lilana lehlise imoral egame nabadlali kwalento uzungazethemba kanjani I understand I frustration kama Nqoba Mnqithi I understand. Coming back to lo mfana lo ngikhumbule le interview yakhe ayishana babo wakhe ngoDecember la khona babakhesh uthi ule futha lo mfana lo una something to offer wayichaza baba wakhe lethi lo le futhi una something to offer and namhlanje lo mfana bethu attacking wise bombona ufuna ukwenzani defensive wise bombona ukuthi ushada nendoda and then ke kwaba yigoal mina bengithi uyena uzobe man of the match unfortunately uNdlovu ube ne game engcono kuneyakhe which is fine I accept naliyana kodwa mina my man of the match was this boy attacking wise create ama chance besinda in ama cross defensive wise be clearisha ama ball be maka ama ball yabo nje ama recoveries awenzile I think 4 or 5 lo fanele to be game and then
that's it for video namhlanje bafethu. I had to cut the video short because angifuni video ukuthi ibe inde kakhulu because you guys don't even watch the full video. Angazi wani ngabuki ivideo ngayibuki yonke but yeah it's fine. See igame namhlanje ne first angiyibukanga online angibukanga igame I only watched the first half then I passed out because I had a long day mfethu angazi ngakhathala kanje in a while yabo so yeah but into engifuna uku-emphasize into engifuna ukisho ukuthi iChiefs mhla uDodli ebuya it's going to be really hard ukuthi iChiefs concede because even right now they're defending with uMiguel esimaziyo sonke ukuthi uMiguel is mistake prone like unama mistake unama yellow card and sometimes ama yellow card ka Miguel wona abeka iChiefs under pressure yabo ithole si concede ama goals si draw but mhla kubuya uDodli I believe ukuthi idefense ka Dodli noKwinika like you guys are not gonna like kuzoba nzima ukuthi iChiefs concede ama goal. Because even right now, it's hard to concede while you're defending with Miguel. Just imagine with Udodli, because Udodli is amazing, Udodli is quality, bro. Udodli, and yeah, that's you know you think about now. Would see Chiefs are called bad. It's like how people paint it to be like on socials. Now they be talking about Chiefs and the Chiefs are bad. I'm feeling Chiefs number 3, Chiefs number 3, and they barely concede. They've lost the game 1, so. I think it's only fair like we count Chiefs as our contenders like of it. It's only fair. And it makes the league even exciting to have the 3 big teams gunning for the league. So yeah, that's all I can say for you, Game namhlanje. And in terms of officials, officials are winning should have called. Oh referee. Cha mfethu ibhola hayi suka labo ref mina ngazi mfethu. Like awuboni kanjani ukuthi offside leya? Because that was just liyabe clear bafethu liyabonakala ukuthi cha lela goal offside, but then ke hayi bafethu I want to talk because kuthiwa I'm hating on Chiefs, but I'm not hating on Chiefs. Game wasn't bad. First half for what I saw bengekho mnandi bengabhori futhi. Uyigame nje ye-Chiefs mfethu esijwayele yabo. But yeah, that's it for video namhlanje bafethu. Thank you for tuning in, and it's been a while since ngenza i-video, bro. I feel kind of nervous, yabo. But thank you guys for watching. Thank you for subbing, commenting, sharing. Ngizobona igame ezayo bafethu. Yini game ezayo? Okay, angizoma ngigame ezayo though. Shit.